The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moxee Mobile Hotspot for corporate wireless. So this is a mobile hotspot device for corporate wireless. I don't know how long this one's been out for. So so this Moxee hotspot device is $7.99. So this is a cheap hotspot device. Of course, available in block there, so you do have the content, you have the branding there, your screen there, and your power button right there. Another one also in the back you guys put that Moxee or whatever, yeah, Moxee, yes. And then you have front menu first. So it says unleash the power and reliability of its 4G LTE network for all your Wi-Fi enabled devices at home or on the road. A mobile broadband solution for schoolwork, video calls, and more. The Moxee Hotspot, the Moxee Mobile Hotspot keeps your devices connected and your phone engaged. Small and compact with simple setup. You can connect up to 16 Wi-Fi enabled devices and unlike public Wi-Fi, you get the peace of mind of a highly secure, password protected connection. It's an easy to read color display and long-lasting battery. You can stay productive throughout the day and enjoy the power of the internet wherever life may take you. So this is meant for, this is not, this is not meant to put pressure on him internet or nothing like that. It's very compact, so I do like the fact that you can connect up to 16 devices to it at once. That's pretty cool. Small, compact, will be easy to see color display. Dual-band Wi-Fi for faster data speeds and greater range. Secure password protected. Secure password protection and the latest Wi-Fi security protocols. Simple setup with no software to install. Convenient web user interface. 2-minute settings and features. Long-lasting rechargeable 2300 battery. Alright. So yeah. So it's basically your basic hotspot device. So there's nothing really too special about this. Features and the connectivity for everyone. With Moxee Mobile Hotspot, you can keep the whole family entertained at home or on the road. Easy to connect up to 16 Wi-Fi enabled devices so you can answer emails on your laptop or the kids, stream videos on your tablet. Dual-band Wi-Fi, get the best of both worlds with dual-band Wi-Fi used to 5 GHz range for faster data speeds. Extended coverage is what you need. Set to 2.4 GHz to maintain connection at further distances and when inside buildings. Simple and intuitive. Simple. Power on and start connecting your laptop, tablet, or other Wi-Fi enabled device to the quicker nationwide 4G LTE and with the intuitive web interface. Quickly and easily update Wi-Fi settings for block home and devices. Specs in this hotspot is it has Linux 3.18.48. Your dimensions are 4.41 inches height, 2.56 inches width, and 0.47 inches depth. The display is 1.44 inches color, 256 megabytes of RAM, 256 megabytes of RAM. You need to get 4G LTE. This is not a 5G device, this is 4G only. Dual-band Wi-Fi 8211 BGN AC. It has a dual-core 1.3 GHz processor and has a micro USB charging port and a 2300 mAh battery. And you can use this with the Cricket data plans at $30 for 20 gigs. $35 for 20 gigs, $30 for 40 gigs, or $90 for 100 gigabytes of data. So this is for data Fine zone. This is not for phone plan. So yeah. So yeah. So this is the Moxee Mobile Hotspot device. It does have 4G LTE, not 5G. So if you guys are looking to get a cheap hotspot device, you can take a look at this one. It's pretty much basic, so that's all it is your big hotspot device. So it does like a whole lot in this thing here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys want to watch more, peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.